Alright, the first step into building our hydroelectric generator model is going to be assembling the turbine. So to do that, you'll need 5 things. You will need your plastic container, the turbine, threaded rod, hex nuts, and some washers. We tell you in the instructions that you need 5 hex nuts and 8 washers. You might need a little more, you might need a little less. It just depends on how the final model gets put together. But for this first part, we are not going to use all of those. So first thing we're going to do is take our threaded rod, and we are going to slide it into one side of the holes that are put into the container. It does not matter what side you start on. Once you get about an inch or 2 inside the plastic container, you're going to take your turbine wheel and you're going to attach it to the threaded rod so that it sits inside here. And then you're just going to spin this or slide it, depending on how well it moves on the threaded rod. Bring the threaded rod through here. Sometimes it's easier to spin the threaded rod instead of trying to force it through the holes because it is a fairly close fit. You only need to have about an inch or 2 of threaded rod exposed on one side. This side is what is going to just be holding it all together, and this side over here is where you're going to attach your rotor, and the stator will be over here. You want your rotor to be roughly in the middle of this. And once you are happy with how that is, you're going to take 2 of your hex nuts and you're going to put it on the short side here. And you're going to thread them all the way down to the plastic container. This is what's going to keep the rod from sliding back out this way. And then these are locking nuts, so what you can do is take a pair of pliers, hold the inside one, and you tighten this one until it's right up against it, and this will help keep them from coming apart. And then we're going to take another hex nut onto the long side of our shaft here, just to keep the rod from coming out at all. The rest of the hex nuts and the washers, we are going to wait and use them after we get the rotor built and put onto the shaft, so we can adjust for spacing. Now this will keep our rod from moving side to side. When you get to this point, you have put your turbine together. One thing you're going to want to check is sometimes this turbine wheel moves fairly easily on the threaded rod, such as mine does here. If it moves a lot, you might want to take your hot glue gun and put a few dabs of hot glue on either side of this to keep it from moving. Another option, if you have extras, is to put hex nuts on both sides here. So you might have to take this apart and put it back together a couple of times to get everything so that it stays secure in here.